This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a bootable USB drive and preparing the Surface. Use Rufus or Microsoft Media Creation Tool and pick the correct ISO. Format the USB as FAT32 or NTFS depending on UEFI needs. Once done, plug the drive into the Surface and attach the keyboard or type cover so you can access function keys. Make sure the battery is above half and that you've saved any important files and noted BitLocker keys. These steps prevent interruptions and allow the Surface. You now enter the Surface UEFI to instruct it to boot from the USB drive. Shut down completely, then press and hold the volume up button while pressing power until the UEFI screen appears. In UEFI, go to Boot Configuration or Boot Order and move the USB device to the top, or enable USB boot if necessary. Once configured, save changes and exit UEFI. The device will restart and should try the USB device first. This lets the installer load directly from your prepared media. You complete the installation by following the installer prompts. Select Language, Keyboard, and then Install Now or Repair options. Choose Custom Install to replace or delete partitions if doing a fresh install, and make sure to select the correct drive. If the Surface does not detect the USB, power down and try a different USB stick or port, recreate the bootable media, or re-enter UEFI to confirm USB boot is enabled. After success, restore UEFI boot order, re-enable BitLocker and fast startup if you want them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.